Hello, welcome back. It's Arma Bricks, and we are looking at the expo number 3. So the installation that was made out of 3 sets Santa's Visit, which 2 of them are alternate builds, which reviews you can find in my channel, and there are some more sets added here as well. So these icing skating or something kits that were gifted with purchase long time ago. There are 6 of them that are included. One is here from 4 of them. It looks like a bigger mountain that you just slide on the ice. Then we do have this year's Christmas tree, which is quite big one. So yeah, I do think that this is the best looking installation that I've done, and yeah, it has that Christmas vibe in it, so I'm really happy how it went out. We do have Santas that are on the top of the chimney. We do have one Santa here in the sleigh. We do have those smaller Christmas trees that can light up. So definitely, in my opinion, this is really good composition, and I'm pretty happy to place it afterwards in one of the stores here in Lithuania. So more details will come a bit later, so probably I will post a video from the store tomorrow or after a few days. Yeah, so these are the last steps. So now I'm preparing to transfer everything there, so I hope that a lot of people will see this. So anyhow, thank you for watching. Press that like button and do not forget to subscribe, as much more content will be coming soon. So thank you for watching. See you soon, guys. Goodbye.